Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyu1906 @gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906 @gmail.com, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, also don't forget to share and like the video. Okay. So friends, in our last topic, I've covered the concept called use imagination and not willpower. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. So, and friends, in our today's topic, I'm going to cover the concept called how discipline and imagination work wonders. This topic, friends. Okay. So, friends, this is 84th number topic and 84th number video, and the name of topic is how discipline imagination works wonder. So, let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. A wonderful way to get a response from your subconscious mind is through disciplined or scientific imagination. So, friends, this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that the wonderful way to get a response from our subconscious mind is through discipline and scientific imagination. That means it is very important for us that we make a discipline in our life and we believe on the scientific imagination. And if we do not have any discipline in our life, it is very difficult for us to achieve anything in our life. So to achieve anything in our life, it is very important that we maintain a discipline in our life, friends. Okay. And we also believe in the science. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. As previous pointed out, your subconscious mind is the builder of the body and control all its vital functions. So, the author Joseph Murphy is trying to remember us, as previously the author Joseph Murphy said that our subconscious mind is a builder of the body and controls all the vital function. That means our subconscious mind is the actual builder of our body, and our subconscious mind is responsible for concluding all the each and every vital function in our body, friends. Okay, that means it is very important for our subconscious mind that we give him good thought so that he could deliver and manifest the better thing in our life. And if we are unable to give a good thought in our subconscious mind, then it is going to be very difficult for the subconscious mind to give the proper outcome. So if we want proper outcome from the subconscious mind, so it is very important to give the perfect thing to our subconscious mind, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The Bible says. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that Bible says. So let us see what the Bible says. Whatsoever ye shall ask in prayer, believing, ye shall receive. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that in Bible it is written that whatever we are going to ask in the prayer to God, the we are going to get that, right? So God is going to fulfill that, right? Prayer believing shall receive means whatever prayer we will ask God and we will believe that God is going to fulfill that prayer, God is going to fulfill in our life, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. To believe is to accept something as true, or so the author Joseph Murphy is saying to believe means to accept that that thing is true, that we accept that that thing is true. That is the meaning of belief, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Or to live in the state of being it. So or else we can live in the state of being it, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. As you sustain this mood, you shall experience the joy of the answered prayer. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling, as we sustain the mood, we are going to expect the joy of the answered prayer. That means we will expect that joy this prayer is being answered, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is selling to us in this topic. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you the next. So in our today's topic, I've covered a concept called how discipline imagination work wonders. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called the 3 step to success in prayer. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay.